So here we are going to create our first n8n RAG agent. So the first node will be a chat node. Here's the chat node, and then we are going to connect an AI agent with it. And then we have to connect a chat model. So I am connecting an OpenAI chat model. You can use Gemini or whatever you want. Then we have to connect a tool. So the tool I am using is Supabase vector store. You can use Pinecone. And then you have to connect an embedding model. So again, I am using OpenAI embedding model. You can use Gemini as well. So mainly this is the RAG agent we are creating. It's almost complete, but the missing part is that we have not given any data to the vector store. So to give data to the vector store, we have to create another workflow. So now I am using a manual trigger here. Here it is. Then we have to connect Google Drive with it. In Google Drive, you have to select download file. Instead of Google Drive, you can use Google Sheets as well. So now you have to give your data to Google Drive. For now, I am using this data, the rule of golf. Obviously, you will be giving your data here. So you have to go to Google Drive, click new here, and just upload your file here. Then you have to come in this node and then select your file. Here I am selecting the file, and then you have to again connect the Supabase vector store. Here you have to select add document. Then you have to create your account at Supabase vector store. I have already done that, and you are going to select your project here. So my project will be document, and then you have to connect an embedding model. So again, I am using OpenAI embedding model, and then you have to connect a data loader. So it should be a default data loader. Then instead of JSON, you should connect binary here, and that's it. You do not have to do any changings further. So just execute this workflow. So as you can see, the workflow is executed properly, and you can see the data has been stored into the vector. Now you just need to come here, and here you need to connect that project here as well, so that the vector store can use the data. So now you just need to add the description here. So I'm writing call this to look up the golf rules. You should be adding according to your data. So now the workflow is complete. So let's test this. And here I'm writing hello. And here it is given the response. Now so here I have asked about the first rule of golf. So it should be fetching data from the Supabase vector store and then giving the reply. So that's the reply. So that's the first rule. Here it is. Now as you can see, the RAG agent is complete, but still there is one missing part. So if I write here my name is Adam, so it's replied, hello Adam, how can I assist you today? And then if I write what's my name, so here as you can see, it replied as it does not know my name, but as you can see, I've already told him. So the problem is that we have not connected memory with it. So here we have to connect a memory tool. You can use simple memory. I'm using Postgres memory here. So here it is, the Postgres memory. here you have to connect your account, and then you can decide the length as well. So the length I am choosing is 5, and that's the complete thing. So let's test it again. My name is Adam. So now it's using the memory as well. And then if we ask what's my name, so now it has replied that your name is Adam and how can he help me. So that's it. That's a complete workflow, as you can see. So it's using AI agent, and then it's connected with a vector store, and it's using the data you have given it. So that's the complete workflow. I hope you liked it.